friends, welcome to Magic of Smartphone. Today I am going to show you some basic level in Pixar how to play with words, with text How to play with text. We'll make something like this in very easy and simple steps. Okay, so this is how we are going to make it. I am going to PicsArt. Plus sign down, purple color. You can see I'm tapping on plus sign. I'm saying background I want white so that I can see the text properly. Now this is the canvas that I have got. Now I'm going to play with words. Down you can see the buttons here. Okay, I'm choosing text because I want to play with words now. Tap on text and I'm typing. You can take anything first. My sequence I'm taking as Asha Kulkarni first in one line. Okay, if you want to take it in two lines, tap at K. You can see the purple cursor is at K. On the keyboard down, you can see the red button, the arrow, down arrow. On the keyboard down, right bottom, the red button arrow. I'm tapping on that. The Kulkarni word has gone down. Okay. At this also you can see up 4 lines at the top. I'm tapping on that. This is the right alignment. Again I'm tapping on those lines. This is the left alignment. Again I'm tapping on the lines. This is the center alignment. I want a center alignment. Okay, now I'm done with this. I want this as one line only, Asha Kulkarni. The cursor is before K. I'm using the backspace after M, the backspace, the cross you can see. I'm tapping on that. Okay, so this has come back on the same line. I'm tapping on the tick mark up. You cannot see the text now because it is white canvas and white color ka text. So I want to change the color of the text. You can choose any color. I'm taking any random way. Say I'm taking blue. And I'm dragging it up and placing it somewhere up here. Okay, you can, I'm taking the placings also. After done this, tap outside anywhere. Again down you'll get a text button, tap on the text. And I want to say the year. I'm tapping on the number 2021, current year. Okay, I'm done with this. On the tick mark up, tapping on the tick mark. There you can see it will always come in the center. You have to give the position. At first it will come in the center. So I'm changing the color to say red. Okay, red I'm taking it. Now I'll drag it up and keep it where I want it. Thoda size I'm feeling it is little less. So the size with the double arrow I've increased a little size. Still I want to increase it here. Okay. If you feel this is more, your own creativity you can take. Okay. आशा कुलकर्णी के विड्थ में उतना वो 2021 आई हैव ट्राइड टू फिट. मैंने वो फिट करने की कोशिश की है वहाँ पे. ओके, डन. टैप आउटसाइड, देन यूल गेट द टेक्स्ट बटन डाउन. अगेन टैप ऑन टेक्स्ट. नाउ सपोजिंग आई वांट देयर हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, तो टाइप हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. Okay, then tick mark up. I'm done with the text, so tick mark up. Now this happy new year I want, supposing color, any color that you want. You can take a green or a yellow. I'm taking a yellow one. Okay, and then drag it up and see the width, but I feel this is not readable, so I want to increase the size. This is okay. Still, if you feel it is not readable, I'm taking the middle dot and I'm pulling it down. See, this is more readable now. Okay, this is what you have got now, one idea. Now second type, again I'm going into text because we are playing with text. I'm trying to put in today's date now. Number 24. Tick mark up. This 24 has come here. Color, I want to change it to say this yellow. Any color, of course, any color you can choose. I'm taking this 24 here. Okay, I can change the size again later on depending on what text I want. In text again, I am saying this is May, capital M-A-Y, May. Okay, this May has come. First I'll give it a color so you all can see. Say I'm giving it choosing different colors now. Any random basis you want, you can give stroke and all those things also. At present I'm not doing that. Outline and all that if you want you can give. Ye May is little bigger, so I'm trying to, on the double arrow I'm trying to decrease it and then place it where you want it. थोड़ा ऊपर लेके गई हूँ. Tap outside only, then you will get the text button. Tap on text. I am putting number 2021, today's year. Tick mark again. Color करके, supposing I am choosing this purple, anything, I am just going random basis, any color that you want. So this is very big size naturally, so I am decreasing the size and then placing it up. ये बहुत छोटा हो गया. Okay, still it is sticking to May. तो May का थोड़ा छोटा करके then accordingly I can place 2021. It is very small words box, तो delicately आराम से धीरे से करना. स्टार्टिंग में एक बार हाथ बैठ जाए then you can do it faster. Okay, now I still feel May is little outside. इसको थोड़ा लेफ्ट में ड्रैग किया. Okay, tap outside to see the exact placing. Okay, you can try your placing on your own and color combination on your own. Give a color and a stroke also if you want. It's up to you. Okay, ये हो जाने के बाद again I'm going into text and I'm saying magic of smartphone. This is in one line. Tap. Okay, ये magic of smartphone को color दे रही हूँ, say black. Okay, now you can see this is not in one line, तो this dot I am stretching it. ये देखो one line में आ गया. नीचे down I am going to bend last. Bend करके now I am increasing. नहीं, not this way, I want this way. Okay, you got like this. I am dragging it little up here. थोड़ा touch हो रहा है तो bend थोड़ा कम कर रही हूँ. वो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर को टच कर रहा था तो थोड़ा कम कर दिया, थोड़ा शिफ्ट कर रही हूँ. यू कैन इंक्रीज द साइज अगेन एंड देन ड्रैग इट अकॉर्डिंगली. बॉक्स के अंदर उसको बॉक्स के अंदर इसको थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे ड्रैग कर सकते हैं. ओके, डन. दिस लुक्स गुड. डोंट फॉरगेट टू टैप ऑन द टिक मार्क once you are done with it. Tick mark only after you have completed it. Then this white arrow right top right corner arrow, and then this is an ad. You have to bear because this is a free app, so they need to give ads on it. You have to bear it till you get a X cross mark somewhere on the screen at the top. Usually it is on the left or the right side. You have to wait for it to come. There it is come on the left side X. You can see, tap on that X. So the ad goes off. Then save button. Again save here. This is saved to the gallery. Now if I want to send it through WhatsApp, I can tap here on WhatsApp and then send it to wherever you want it. Okay.